Hello friends, today we are going to study about mole concept. So first thing first, studying mole concept is to know what is a mole. And for learning what is mole, first I am giving you one example. Tell me what is 1 dozen? 1 dozen. 1 dozen will be equal to 12. Means 12 things or 12 substances or anything, whatever. If I say 1 dozen of banana, mean 1 dozen bananas means it will be 12 bananas. 1 dozen apples means 12 apples. Here mole is something related to this only. Why they had done this, that also I am going to explain you. First we know that 1 mole will be equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 things or 3 atoms. Here we are directly writing atoms. Now look here, why we are doing this. We know that for calculating 12 bananas, if I say instead of 12 bananas 1 dozen, it will be easy for us. And when we are calculating 24 bananas, then I can say 2 dozen, so it will be easy for us. Here also the same thing is going on, because when scientists were doing some calculations on these atoms and elements, and they are finding ratios of they have to deal with a very smaller unit of their mass, that is 1 unit or 2 unit, and it will be very difficult for them to find out that and finding the ratio. So what they had done, they had made group of atoms, and that group, this is the group, means this much number of atom combines to form 1 mole, and it will be easy for them to compare this. So they had done this. Now look here, I am telling you why and how they had done. This number 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atom combines to form 1 mole only. Why they had taken this number only? Why they had not taken something else, 10 point something like that? See, because the mass of this will be equal to the mass of the number. Means I am giving you a practical example. What is hydrogen? We know the mass of hydrogen is 1 unit. So if I say 1 gram of hydrogen, then it will be equal to 1 mole of hydrogen. Still I am explaining you more, so you will come to know. If I say carbon, take carbon. Tell me what is the mass of atomic mass of carbon? 12. So if I will say 12 gram of carbon combines to form 1 mole of carbon. Now I will tell you about, let us take oxygen. So atomic mass of oxygen is 16. So 16 gram of oxygen gives you 1 mole of oxygen. Now I am taking a molecule. Come on. Now tell me, what is the mass of H2O? 1 molecules of H2. You know, the 2 units of hydrogen. So 1 into 2 plus mass of oxygen is 16. So it's 2 plus 16, 18. So what we can say? Look here. 18 gram of H2O combines to form 1 mole of H2O. These are the simple things. Why I had explained this, because these are all things are necessary. You come to know what is actually this is. Now directly I am going on to the formulas. So for finding the number of mole, first you need to know what are the things we needed for finding how many moles are there in this. Look here, I had taken and I had find out and I had written here. N, the small letter n is used for number of moles.
Small n.
Small n is used for given mass, if they are giving us some mass, and then molar mass means the mass of that element or that molecules, that is called molar mass. These three things are necessary for finding first for my first formula. Now we are going n is equal to small m upon capital M. Means what is small m means? Given mass, n. Capital M means molar mass. Come on, we are taking one example. If I am having 32 gram of oxygen, then how many moles it will be? If somebody tell me, given mass, so they had given us 32 grams, so given mass is 32 gram of oxygen, and we know what is the molar mass of oxygen, that is 16. So how many moles will be there? Cancellation, it's 2, so number of moles will be 2. And the second formula also they had given to us when the particles are given. Here they had given us mass. With the help of mass we can find out its number of mole. With the help of the second formula is also I am doing it here. N is equal to N upon NO. N means I had written here, if you had seen properly, N means given number of particles. If they are giving us atoms, at that time also we can find out how many moles are there. Come, so capital I am going here. N, capital N means given number of particles, upon NO means Avogadro number. This all in this group of group of atom was invented by Avogadro, so they had told this number as Avogadro number. It is called NO, and that is always 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. Now we are going to do a practical example. Suppose they had given us 18.066 into 10 raised to 23 atoms of oxygens are there. Find the number of moles formed from this. These are oxygen atoms. So what is the formula? N is equal to capital N upon Avogadro number, that is 18.066 into 10 raised to 23 upon 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. So directly we can cancel and we know this 3, so number of moles will be 3. By combining these two formulas also we will get a new thing, that is small m upon capital M. N is equal to, and again we know that N is equal to capital N upon Avogadro number, so we can combine this also and we will get M upon capital M is equal to N upon Avogadro number. So whenever you are getting this type of sums, first you have to make a list of all the numbers which you are having. Automatically you will find the number which is not given to you. Sometimes they will give you this mass in gram, then you can find the atoms if you want to. If they had given these atoms, then you can find this mass also, and if sometimes they will give you any of the things and they told you to find this number of moles, then you can find that also. So if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and please click on the like button given below. Thank you.